Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Residences at the Grove in Dallas, Texas. And what we're doing is we're doing a quick walkthrough of their model. This is a one bedroom model. It's pretty cool, I love it. This has a really nice half bath, I love seeing that. And this has a great feel. It's just light and bright. It's great lighter colors. This is the kitchen. The kitchen is adorable. It looks really cute. I love all the white cabinets that are here. This undermount lighting is really pretty. Even has gas. That's pretty special. It does have an island here too, so you can use that island for a table, but you can also use this additional space too. There's a lot of space in this apartment. This is more what it looks like too. It's beautiful. It really does have you could have probably 8 people in here, and it should be no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 or 8. I'd say would be no problem. This is more what it looks like here. It's just very, very attractive, and it does have a balcony. Just so you know, nice balcony. We're gonna walk into the bedroom, and the bedroom looks like this. And it's really attractive. It feels big. It feels adorable. This is the space in here. It's not a teeny bedroom. It's a nice sized bedroom. And here's what the bathroom looks like. The bathroom is very cute. I love the dual sinks, by the way. Dual sinks. And you've got a stand-up shower that's separated. It's glass, and you've got a tub. Here's the closet as well. So this is your quick walkthrough of the one-bedroom model. And if you have any questions about it, or if just any questions about Dallas apartments in general, send me a text. One of the things that we love doing is we help with all of the best Dallas apartments. So we can answer questions about this one or about anyone. We can also set up quick tours virtually, virtual live. So send me a text and just say, hey Grant, I really like what I'm seeing, and ask me questions. And if you want to even see this today, that's possible. If you're in town, you want to see this today, we can set that up free as well. My number's below. Just send me a text and look forward to hearing from you.